captIV is a very clever single-piece dressing that safely secures IV catheters and tubing to any companion animal. Ready to use straight from the box, it saves time in prep and application, in turn saving money when compared to traditional methods. The unique all-in-one dressing is specifically designed for veterinary use. It offers great security and is simple to remove. Just add water. captIV is easy for the nurse, kind to the patient, and economical too. After you've placed your catheter and bung, use the large tab on the captIV to remove the backing paper to just beyond the slit. Then fit the slit around the base of the catheter and smooth the dressing onto the skin beneath the hub. Remove the backing paper from the small adhesive strip and stick the strip down firmly over the catheter hub. Continue peeling off the backing from the top strap and then wrap that strap around the leg, passing it over the hub for maximum security. Now the hub's secure, connect your IV line or connector. Finally, remove the last strip of backing paper and wrap the second strap around the leg, over the lure connection and any tubing loop. The catheter and tubing is now safely secured, with minimal fuss and in a fraction of the time taken using traditional methods. To remove captIV, gently rub some moist gauze at the junction of the adhesive and skin. Easy for you, kind to the patient. captIV comes in large and small sizes for use on any companion animal. captIV, simple, kind and cost-effective.